So today I am going to cover very important one principle of life, the connecting principles. So I was reading this book like Everyone Communicate, Few Connect. His author is John C. Maxwell. And there is a very three small point I am going to cover with the example. So connecting is all about connecting with people at all level. Okay. So I can give one example. My wife Lena, she is a really great connector. I can give. There was a two kids, very small kid, 1 to 1.5 year kid in my hometown when we were there in the hometown. And one of the kid, the neighbor's kid, they required more than 1 hour to 2 hours to feed him for lunch. And the kid will come to my wife. He will sit on the lap and eat easily 4 chapatis. And he asked more as well. Okay, another kid was there in front, same house. There is a same front house, Reza. He always treat my wife as a friend. And my wife sometimes she visit to their parents' home. When she come back, immediately after when she enter my home, the person he was waiting so desperately for 2 days if she is not there. Immediately he will come, rush to and hi Lina and all like this. Somewhere like there was a connection. So that is like she is able to connect with the kids. She is able to connect to the mid-age. She is connecting to the other age. I can tell there is a certain ladies are there in her connection. Still they are talking to her so many things, and she is able to. She become a reliable person for her. So that is what a first principle. You can connect with all level of people. Second is connecting is all about others. Now you say these people, the kids she was feeding, she is thinking about what they likes it. Okay. Now you see there is many kids are coming. Anytime we have a socializing some kids at my home for the children's day and all other things. She always thinks about like what kind of dish she can prepare, the kids will like it. Okay, how it will be hygienic for them, how they can enjoy it. And then whenever somebody is come at my home, okay, there is one incident. I had a more than 14 plus people team in 2006 who was reporting to me, and their demand was in my birthday they want to come to my home and they want to have a home food. Okay, now this is bigger challenge because I was staying in very small house at that time. But I say, okay, I will decide the day and then we can plan it. So that day we have decided, everybody came to my home. It was very difficult. 14 people can sit in very small room, so they have to hold their plate and they have to eat. So that was a situation. But so many people's food Lena has prepared, and out of 14. Everybody still remembers Lena's name. After 14-15 years, still many of them are not connected, but still they remember the Lena's name. It is just because of serving. Okay. The third thing is the connecting begins when the other people feel valued. Okay. Whenever they feel valued, if I can tell the same incident, there was one lady and there was so many things which I was so aggressive. Okay, so my nature was not as a good manager, but I was so aggressive because of the work pressure, because of the nature of work and all. But still there is a certain people in my female employees who was in my team. Still they feel the value which is delivered by my wife at the same day. Still they are connected. Okay. In this book, they have given one good example. There is one person, Emron. He is a car dealer. Okay, car salesperson, Emron. And there was one person who attended the John C. Maxwell seminar. Okay, and this guy was talking about that Emron. So he said, okay, how he connected. Okay, when he was a student, the person, he bought the car, and Emron from the Emron. Okay, after couple of years, Emron was shifted to the Virginia state in US. But the first time, the impression what he has created and how he helped, okay, this person took a flight from this place to Virginia, and 23 hours he drove back to home with a car. He again bought the car from the Virginia, from the same person, Imran. Now you understand the way, like, people, if you are really connected, people are thinking. There was a one time I was really not that financially great when I started my job in Bangalore, and I had a second-hand bike. My bike had engine piston was broke, and at that time it was 4,000 rupees was big money for me. Okay, and there was one person, Raja, and he valued my money, he valued my vehicle, and he understand my pain, and he has given the best solution, and he has given the assurance that I understand your situation, don't worry about it. Now you understand, after so many years I was visiting to that garage, even though I have shifted in many places in Bangalore. It was painful for me to drop the vehicle there and then come by bus again go back by the bus and come with the vehicle again. You understand? But that person has put a value, he valued me. Then I feel, okay, I got valued, I got connected with him, and that person is, I feel at that time, yes, he has really connected. Okay, so this is what the certain small principles we have to think it. Okay, how much we are caring about them, how much value we give them, and how much we are thinking about them, not ourselves. There is one good line which I have read it, which I want to implement in my life. Many times we have an impression in our mind for one person. We see this person is okay, but when that person comes in front of us, trust me, even though we appreciate, it doesn't going to work. That is a Lev Gibson says, okay, if you understand this person is nobody, okay, even though you cannot value him, even in front of anyone, and you appreciate everything, but it doesn't work. Because your mind has already have an impression, this is the nobody. Many people are there who are very average performer and all, but many times we have to think about what is the good quality in them, what is their pain point, why they are behaving like this, what is the bigger problem with them, and how they can improve it, how we can help them to improve their performance. So as a leaders, we have to think on that direction, and a couple of principles which we talk about, we have to keep in mind, and we have to start acting accordingly. So that's all I want to contribute today. Thank you.